this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this two-step full card with the Sweet Gingerbread bundle. Here is my two-step gingerbread card. I've attached another card base on the bottom so you can have a full card underneath the design. So basically I have a piece of 6" by 4 1/4, and I've scored it at 5 1/2. So this will be my back piece, my back connecting piece. And then I have a regular 11 by 4 1/4, and I've scored it at 1 1/4, 2 1/2, 4, and 5 1/2. And this is what makes my front steps here, like that, so you can create a scene. But I'm just gonna attach this on here first. Okay, next I'm gonna add some designer series paper. And I have the Sweetest Christmas that goes with the candy cane dies, candy cane bundle. And I'm just gonna add that. So this is 4 by 5 1/4. And then I'm gonna add this little 4 by 1 inch strip to the very front. Okay, so now on the second fold here, I'm gonna add some shimmery white. A shimmery white slope. And I'm gonna add a little bit of fence first. So I'm just gonna measure out the fence here. So I'm gonna trim it right there. And I can use this for another card. And then I'm just gonna peel this off. I put the adhesive backing on it. And there's my cat. Let me introduce you to Pepper's bum. I don't know why she's hanging around me so much today. She usually doesn't do this. Hi, Pepper. What am I doing? I'm getting all the sticky stuff off, huh? Yeah. Oh, don't bite it. I'm gonna have to edit you out. All right, so now we're gonna stick this down to the slope. Thanks for your help, Pepper. And put some adhesive on the bottom of the slope and just attach it to the top of the fold here so that when we fold, we have our nice little piece. And now we're gonna add the house, which I've already cut out. Soft suede, and then the trees in shaded spruce, and then I've already embossed some lollipops, and I've created a wreath, and let's see, 3 lollipops, 3 trees. Got a red door and some white windows, and then we'll put our wreath. And then shimmery white for the top. And I think those are all of my pieces. So I will start putting this together. Okay, so there's our card. Now we just need a sentiment. So I'm going to stamp this cloud in soft suede. We will do from our home to yours, and I've cut off the bottom so that it looks like a cloud and it doesn't look like a puff of smoke. So I'm just going to add that to the card over here. And there we have our two-step sweet gingerbread card. And my cat Pepper is here on the table with us, and she's keeping guard of the other cards in my card class, which are an easel card and this other gingerbread card. So just purchase the bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. Email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it out to you. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial using the Sweet Gingerbread bundle. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and comment on the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.